Hi, to set up your POCO F6, as a first step, turn it on and then tap this arrow to select your phone's language. So let me just find English, United States, and let's go to the next tab. Here, just select your region, then tap this arrow and it will be setting your region, and after that you would see these terms and conditions and you would need to put a check mark here so you read and agree to the user agreement. Now let's go to the next step, and here we can connect to Wi-Fi. So let me just select my network, enter its password really quickly, and now we will need to tap the connect option, and now we are connected. So let's go to the next step. And now it is getting the phone ready, and we are simply waiting for a couple of seconds till the phone is loading and processing the new information. And after that, you can select to copy apps and data or don't copy. That is what I'm gonna do now. And we are also waiting. So here you can sign in your Google account using your email or phone number. And after that, you'll need to enter your password, or you can skip this step here, but I'm gonna sign in. So let me just enter my data and get back to you. After that, as usual, agree with terms of service and go to the next tab while your phone is loading and getting account info. So we are simply waiting a couple of more seconds. Here we can select to backup device data, to use location, allow scanning, send, usage and diagnostic data, install apps and updates. So just accept everything or disable some of the features and tap the blue button. And after that, you will need to create your screen lock type, or you can skip this step for now and just continue later in the settings. Here we need to confirm that we are continuing this setup, and now we can also set up Google Assistant. Here just tap I agree and once more. So we can manage just something else, for example, add another email account, change how text displays, change wallpaper, and so on. Let's change how text displays, and here just make it bigger. And now let's save the changes and go to the next step. Here either enable or disable location, send, usage and diagnostic data, automatic system updates, and any feature you see on the screen, and then confirm your choice by pressing this arrow to go to the next step. At this point, you can also turn on parental controls, or I'm just gonna skip this tab and here select the font style. I'm gonna choose default, and now let's select default launcher. I prefer app drawers, so let's leave it that way. And now it is preparing system, so we are waiting. And now this setup is complete, so we just need to tap this arrow and wait a few seconds till we can see our new home page. And yep, here it is. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.